All right, just took out the K&N air filter on the Jeep Wrangler JK 3.6 liter V6 engine. Gonna show you how to properly clean it, get out all the debris there, and we'll go rinse it out in the sink. Okay, the K&N cleaner kit. We'll go ahead and spray on the cleaner. Let that set for a few minutes. Then we'll rinse it out. Okay, the filter's been sitting here a few minutes with the cleaner on it. Go ahead and rinse it out. Oh yeah, that was a lot better. Do the other side now. Okay, now we'll go ahead and let this dry. And then we'll come back and spray some oil on it. All right, we'll go ahead. The filter is clean and dry now, as you can see, clean and dry. So we will apply this red oil, or the oil in the kit. And it said like 3 inches from the filter, so. Okay. Same with the other side. Okay. Filter is re-oiled. I think it says let it set for a few minutes so the oil soaks into the filter, but other than that, it's ready to be reinstalled. So, thanks for watching. Do it for Dale. Hell yeah, brother.